If you're looking for a rugged smartphone from Oukitel in 2026, these two models might seem like they're built for the exact same type of user at first glance. But once you look a bit closer, they actually take very different approaches. The Oukitel WP61 is all about pushing battery life to the extreme and becoming almost a work tool that also happens to be a smartphone. On the other hand, the Oukitel WP500 aims much more at delivering the experience of a powerful upper mid-range phone while still keeping that rugged durability. So the real question isn't which one has better specs on paper. The real question is, what compromises are you willing to make? honestly, this is where the decision becomes pretty simple. If your number one priority is getting multiple days of battery life, doing field work, going on long outdoor trips, using night vision, and having a phone that can handle almost any environment, I'd go with the Oukitel WP61. It's over the top, yes, but that's exactly what makes it interesting. But if you want a rugged phone that also feels fast, modern, and more enjoyable to use every single day, then the Oukitel WP500 feels like the more balanced. You still get a huge battery, noticeably better performance, and you give up a lot less in terms of comfort and everyday usability.